Hey Laura, hi. Have you already thought about what to do for Halloween this year?
Hi, Roger. Hey, not yet, actually. I was thinking of something simple, maybe a dinner with friends. And you?
Marco and I want to organize a small party at home with pumpkins, orange lights, and maybe some homemade sweets.
How nice. I love pumpkins, but are you dressing up?
Hey, I don't know. Last year I dressed as a vampire, but the mask was too hot. Do you dress up?
Yes, always. It's the most fun part. This year I want to be a kind witch with a big hat and a small toy broom.
Haha, a kind witch. Seems perfect for you. And you'll bring sweets, right?
Of course, I'm making bat shaped cookies. Simple but tasty.
Then I want to try them. I like that Halloween is getting more popular here every year. When I was little, almost no one celebrated it.
It's true. Now there are decorations everywhere. I even saw pumpkins at the supermarket with the faces already carved.
Yes, and the kids doing trick or treat. Last year, at least 10 came to my door.
Really? Then this year buy some extra candy, eh?
Right, and maybe some lights for the windows so the house looks more spooky.
Haha, spooky but cozy. Okay, you convinced me. I'll come to your party. I'll bring the cookies and music.
Perfect. I'll prepare the pumpkins and hot chocolate. It will be a scary night, but in a friendly way.
Haha, yes, a scary night, but with a warm heart.
David, hi. Look at this pumpkin. I bought it this morning at the market. It's huge.
Oh, really? Let me see. Wow, it's really big. Do you want to carve it for Halloween?
Of course, I want to make a funny face, not too scary. That way I can put it on the balcony.
So no monsters this year?
Hey, no. I prefer something cute. Last year, my pumpkin even scared my cat.
Haha, poor cat. I'm preparing a decoration with candles. I want the house to look a little mysterious.
How nice. Do you use real candles or electric ones?
Real ones. They smell good, like cinnamon and orange. They remind me of autumn.
Ah, what an atmosphere. And will you make sweets too?
Maybe. My sister wants to make ghost muffins, with cream on top like a ghost sheet.
Haha, what a cute idea. Then I'll bring pumpkin tea so we can eat them together.
Deal. And shall we watch a movie too? Maybe an old one, not too scary.
Yes, something light. Just no too many monsters.
Okay, promised. Just a night with pumpkin tea and a little magic.
Perfect. A calm Halloween, but with a happy heart.
Oh, Matteo, look. All the Halloween things are already here. How nice this store is.
Yes. Every year they start earlier. Ah, look at these little ghost cups. They're so cute.
Haha, yes. And these pumpkin-shaped lights? I'll definitely put them on my balcony.
Good idea. I, on the other hand, want to get some decorations for my desk. Maybe this little dancing skeleton.
Haha, it's hilarious. When you press the button, it really moves. You have to get it.
I'll think about it. But look at these black candles. They're perfect to create a bit of mystery.
I prefer the orange ones. They smell like cinnamon, and they're more cheerful, right?
You're right. Halloween shouldn't be just about fear. A little color is fine.
Exactly. Oh, and look at these stickers. There are bats, spiders, pumpkins. We could decorate the door.
Yes, let's make a themed door. I'll also buy this fake spiderweb string, so it looks like a haunted house.
Ha ha, fantastic. But I think the cashier will think we're kids.
Better that way. A little fun never hurts.
Right. And afterwards, shall we get a hot chocolate? That way, we finish shopping sweetly.
Deal. Decorations, laughter, and chocolate. The true spirit of Halloween.
Ha ha, yes. Tiger is always a trap. You go in to look and leave with your bag full.
Teacher, today, everyone is talking about Halloween. But where does this holiday really come from?
Good question, Marco. Halloween comes from an ancient tradition that started in Ireland many, many years ago.
Really? I thought it was an American holiday.
Actually, the Irish brought the tradition to America, and there it became the holiday we know today, with pumpkins, costumes, and sweets.
Ah, I see. But why do people carve pumpkins?
The legend says a man named Jack tricked the devil and was left with a lantern made from a turnip. In America, they used pumpkins instead because they were bigger and easier to carve.
What a strange story. So the pumpkin is Jack's lantern?
Exactly, that's why we call it a jack-o'-lantern. People put pumpkins with a candle inside to remember that legend.
Haha, I didn't know that. But so it's not just a party to dress up.
No, it also has a much older meaning. It was the night when, according to the Celts, summer ended and winter began. Fires were lit to welcome the new season.
Ah, so it's a transition celebration, like a little goodbye to summer.
Exactly, Marco. And today we celebrate it more cheerfully, with costumes, sweets, and laughter, but the origin is very old.
I like it. So this year, when I see a pumpkin, I'll also think about Jack's story.
Very good. And if you want, tomorrow in class we can carve a small pumpkin together.
Really? That would be amazing. Teacher, can you also make scary faces?
Haha, of course. But promise me you won't run away from fear.
Haha, no, I promise. It will be an educational and fun Halloween.
Good morning. Oh, are you a vampire?
Haha, good morning, ma'am. Yes, today I'm a kind vampire. It's for Halloween, you know? We want to make the store more fun.
Ah, how nice. I must say the cape looks great on you. And the teeth. They're fake, right?
Yes, luckily, I don't bite anyone, I promise. Just a little show to make customers smile.
It works. When I entered, I thought I was in a movie. But do you tell everyone to come in costume?
No, no. But today, anyone who comes in costume gets a discount on Halloween sweets.
Really? Then I'll go home and put on my witch hat.
Haha, perfect. That way you keep me company. Look, we also have new pumpkin candies and ghost cookies.
Mmm, how nice. I'll take them for my nephews. And this music? It's a bit mysterious, but cheerful.
Yes, my daughter chose it. She says Halloween should make you laugh.
I agree. That way, it's more of a party than a scare. And also, the kids have more fun.
Exactly. Do you want me to put some chocolate with the cookies? We have a trick-or-treat promotion.
Ah, then I'll take the treat. I'll leave the tricks for the kids.
Haha, wise choice. Here's your bag, ma'am. And thanks for coming to our little haunted store.
Thank you, kind vampire. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you, too.
Ding dong. Trick or treat.
Oh, what a surprise. A little ghost at my door. What's your name, little ghost?
My name is Leo, and I'm not a bad ghost, eh? I'm a kind ghost who loves sweets.
Haha, what a nice, kind ghost. Tell me, how many treats have you collected so far?
Ah, phew. Some people weren't home, but my bag is ready to be filled.
Then wait here, I have something special for you. Here, homemade pumpkin-shaped cookies.
Wow, thank you, ma'am. What a smell! Can I take two?
Sure, even 3. But you must promise me not to play tricks on anyone.
Promise! I only make smiles.
Good, and what a great costume. Did you make it all by yourself?
Yes, with my mom. We cut an old sheet and drew the eyes with a marker.
Haha, brilliant. Simple but perfect. Then happy Halloween, little ghost Leo.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Halloween to you, too. And watch out for other kids' tricks.
Haha, okay. I'll hide my sweets just in case.
Ha ha, goodbye. I'm going to ring the next house.
Bye, Leo, and good luck with the candy hunt.